Good evening, everyone. This is Swami Daneshwari, and today we will discuss about the drug discovery and development. So let's start with it. First of all, we start with the introduction of drug discovery. So in the past, most of the drugs have been discovered by either by the identifying the active ingredient in the drug or the from the traditional remedies by the various discoveries. But now we know disease are controlled at a molecular level and physiological level, and it also shape of an molecule at atomic level is well to understand. So and it also include the information of human genomes. So now we will see the history of drug discovery. So the history of drug discovery starts in first of in pre 1919. The herbal drugs are discovered in 1970. The drugs are discovered by using of the IT and rise of the biotechnology. And in 1980, computer chemistry and commercialization of the drug discovery. And in 1990s, robotics. And in 1960s, breakthrough the etiology. And in 1950s, new technology and discovery of the DNA. So this is the history of drug discovery. Now we will see the registration. The Ministry of Health and the Family Welfare and the Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers major role in the regulation of IPM. So NDA must be submitted to the DCGI, Drug General Control of India. So phase 3 study reported the CDL and CDL in Kolkata Central Drug Laboratory, and package are inserted and approved by the DCI. So in marketing to the approval by the FDA. Now we will see the marketing scenario of the drug discovery in R&D share. So in first of all, in 800 m dollars spent to bring a new drug in market. Now after the second one is 127 billion spent on the pharma R&D in 2010, and share of the CROs in research operations is 27%, and world CRO market is 16.3 billion in India. uh, Now we will see the drug discovery method. So the drug discovery methods are random screening method, molecular manipulation, molecular designing, drug metabolites, and serendipity. So now we will see that and in which it also target selection, lead discovery, medicinal chemistry, in vitro studies, in vivo studies, and the clinical trials therapeutics. So first of all, we will see the target selection. So what is the target selection? Target selection is a drug discovery is defined as the decision to focus on finding an agent with a particular biological action that is anticipated to have a therapeutic utility, which have a therapeutic utility, and is by the complex balance of the scientific and the medical and strategic consideration. So this is about the target selection and target identification. To identify the molecular targets that are involved in the disease progression. And target validation, the target validation to prove the manipulating the molecular target can provide therapeutic benefit for the patient. So now we will see the target selection in biochemical classes of drug targets, that is G protein coupled receptor, which will be 45%, and enzyme, which is 28%, and hormones and factors 11%, and ion channel, that is 5%, and last one is a nuclear receptor, that is 2%. So these are the techniques for the target selection. Now we will see the cellular and genetic targets. So what is the cellular and genetic targets? It involves the identification of the function of a potential therapeutic drug target and its role to the regarding to the disease process. So for the small molecule drugs, this step is the process which involves the identification of the target receptors or enzyme, whereas for the some enzymes or some biologic approaches that focus at the gene or transcription level. So this is about the cellular and genetic targets. Now we will see the genomics. So what is genomics? The study of genes and their functions. Sorry. Genomics aims to understand the structure of the genomes, including the mapping and genes and sequencing the DNA. So this is about the genomics.